Well, hello, I'm Stan Simpkins and my partner Lonnie Shambi. We're the facilitators and founders of the Small Business Virtual Roundtables. Today, we're going to talk about something everybody has to have dealt with, and that's, do I lease? Do I buy from a bank or whatever? Get a typical loan? Do I get a home equity loan? What do I do? Today, we're going to talk about why you should consider leasing. And of course, we don't have a sponsor who does leasing, so we have nothing in the game, if you will, to be biased by. Why would somebody lease? And the answer is flexibility of payments, potentially lower risk in terms of collateral on at least personal basis. And the big one, as your ace up your sleeve, the day you're really desperate to get additional traditional bank financing, like an extended line of credit or whatever, and the bank says to you, which most small business owners have never been taught by their accountants, well, I'm sorry, I'd love to lend you the money, but you hit your limit of our what we call overall portfolio risk. Lonnie, anything to say there?
Yeah, I mean, that's the thing that most small business owners just don't understand is that concept of, that they've got to have their cash. See, they don't respect cash enough because they don't know it enough. I mean, most of them are they're operating guys, and so they don't get what you just said. They understand cash, but on a different level. A lease can give them so much flexibility in terms of cash flow that it's something they've got to be taught, in fact, and that's something their accountants ought to be doing, but they're not.
Just know that if you need and want flexibility, leasing may appear to be the quote higher cost, which theoretically it is, but it's worth the bang for what you get out of it for running your business when you need it. Because I look at funding and financing as insurance policy against cash flow problems. How's that go for Lonnie?
Well, I'll tell you what, that's exactly the point, because that's how banks look at it. And if you're ever going to get financing from a bank, that's how they're going to look at your financials. So you've got to be cognizant of that and understand that, the rule of 78 is, it may be mumbo jumbo to some of you. It's important for you to understand it. Go learn it. Understand what it means to your business. I'm Lonnie Shambi, and for my partner, Stan Simpkins, and we're the founders of the Small Business Virtual Roundtables. Come follow us on www.sbvirtualroundtables.com and follow the instructions. Register for a free admission to 2 roundtables. You won't be sorry.